Enemy has dropped the bomb.
Two F. Diyan po, Katasha.
Baka bumaba.
Ay, mid po.
Main entrance.
Nice one.
Ito na yun,
Sila
ito
pala
na
uli.
yun.
Get ready for the next round. Defend the objective.
Guys, like nyo naman yung recent post ko. Oh.
Dalawa 2F.
Bomb
Lang ka, ha?
spotted. Enemy has dropped the bomb.
Nice one.
LA last.
Ay, hindi ko na
Rated, rated.
Nice one po. Thank
Nice
you.
work. Get ready for the next round.
Ano ipapalit ni Code M sa Lava Remix? Ay, yan ang hindi ko alam.
Defend the objectives.
Reiko. Nice one po.
Ilalim.
Bomb spotted.
Nice.
Sandra po.
Nag-double doors ata. Or LA. Office
Nice
Uy,
one.
2F pala. Bumabaril-baril ako doon.
Round.
Nice one. Ay, nice one.
Defend the objective. Enemy has dropped the bomb. They have the bomb.
Isa pa pong LA.
Ah, dalawa yung long A. Dalawang long A. Tutok mo.
Spotted.
Ayaw mo yung pens. Ayan na. Nice try.
Pitas niya na.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice try, nice try.
Buhok lang yung tinatamaan eh.
Hindi nahahap mo eh.
Destroy the objective.
Let's go.
You got the bomb.
Shit.
Reiko!
Aray ko! Bigla namang gumaling.
Nice one.
Right.
Boom. Nice one.
Oh, akit, huwag may pilit.
Sayang. Layo.
That round.
Nasa New York ka na, yes. Right now? Oo, nasa New York na ako ngayon. Kita mo, diba, yung background ko?
And it's currently 3:12 a.m.
Yeah,
there.
3:12 a.m. Grabe.
Talaga ang mga tao.
Hindi ko alam kung binibiro mo ba ako o talagang... Oops.
Reiko, joke lang.
Aray mo, pakak! Ayan na.
Sorry pre, di kita natulungan agad.
Okay lang.
Nagka-comp lang sila guys, oh. Sa likod.
Reiko, base na, base na.
Oops, wag.
Patay na, Poy. This guy. Ay, pito. Last pito.
Last man standing. Finished.
Ooh, well done! Uy, nagmura pa. Nagmura pa si kuya. Kuya naman, okay din. Nagmura ka pa eh.